Hey guys, this is kind of a 5 here. Here I'm showing this fan. This was bought brand new back in 2002. This is a 2002 Aries 10-inch box fan, 3-speed. Right here. That I wrote Aries on when the original sticker fell off. Unfortunately, I just used masking tape. It's the back of it. Little motor in there. This rarely ever gets used. It doesn't get used at all, actually. Here's low. But it still works. But it's very slow. That's low. Medium. And high. And for a little box fan cheap like this, it throws a lot of air. My little 2004 my 2008 Duracraft doesn't throw that much air. And off. And being from 2002, it just has one of these polarized plugs. Alright guys, so if you enjoyed this video, please comment, like, and subscribe. Bye-bye.